All right, folks, welcome back to beautiful PeachLand, North Carolina, down here in Firewater Farm Sawmill. Today we're cutting up a little mix of different dimensional lumber, some 2-inch thick stuff and what we call nominal lumber, 1.5 inch, a 5.5, more or less a store-bought 2x6. So what we was going to show you today, we got this nice pine log on the mill. We're about to make some store-bought, what I call nominal lumber, 1.5 by 5.5 by 16s. And we're also making true 2-inch by 8-inch by 12 beams for the header beam on this guy's lean-to that he's building. So we're cutting different thicknesses, we're cutting different widths. I'm gonna show you something that's nice about our Cook sawmill. Just gonna show you folks real quick. This is our inch scale, just like a tape measure. So if we're cutting a 2x8, we're gonna go down to 8 inches and it'll be 8 inches. All right, this is a 4/4 scale for a true 1 inch. So what we're doing today, we're doing 1.5 inch thickness. So when we square up that log into our camp, on one side of that log, we're gonna square it up using this scale right here. So you see 12 inches on this scale, ain't 12 inches over here. It's 13 or somewhere abouts. The reason for that, because this scale takes into account for your 1/8 inch blade curve. So when we start at 12, and we're wanting 1.5 inch thick boards, we're gonna go down to 10.5. And then we're gonna go down to 9, and so on and so on. And that'll give us a 1.5 inch board that we're after. And then if we're after the 8-inch board, we just go on the other side of the scale. Just gonna show you another nice thing about a Cook sawmill. Those scales are also removable, and we can remove it and change scales out. They're magnetic. So y'all kick back and enjoy the video. Have any questions, hit us up in the comments. Have a good day. Better than. Let's see.